Later.
Hot girl walk vibes.
Hot girl walk.
Not me walking into sticks. I almost walked into that.
Walk into the ditch.
Oh my god. Joining us. Not us in the home goods aisle.
Yeah, this actually it's better when I do it this way.
Oh my god, wait. Yeah, I think we found the perfect furniture for you.
Oh my god.
Like, genuinely. So we are heading to downtown New Bern to go walk around, get some stores, hot girl walk action.
Yes, all the things.
This is Lars. This is my cousin, by the way. I don't think I actually introduced her. This is my cousin, Elizabeth. My other bestie. Like, these are my girls. We go hit downtown and... Oh my god, the sun. Wait, why is that actually it?
Ooh.
Yes! Open her up!
Yeah. Literally.
But we're gonna have a good time, and... Did you just have an orgasm in the back?
I'll go walk again.
Yes.
In the heat this time, though. In the heat. Yeah, so there's a bear.
That was like so random. So there's
Oh, we got our buffs on.
Always matching.
That's cute. Okay, well, we're gonna keep on walking and hit a couple of stores. But, yeah. Yep. We'll keep y'all updated. Vlogging the vlog.
Look at her little vlogger.
It's like so sorority You took a video, didn't you?
You're just here. These are nice. Ew. What's something wrong with you? So we got Pepsi floats.
Last three.
The last three of the day. Like,
So lucky.
genuinely, like that was pretty good. There's a nice spot in the shade, actually. She hasn't stopped.
She's just walking.
Oh my god, wait, why is this actually kind of a moment?
Why is it like kind of? Aww.
Little bear. Thanks for being so totally awesome. You look like you're ready to, you were like ready to go.
Stay asleep.